I'm kind of scared to turn it on because it makes bad noises. You might think the motor's knocking, but it's not, I promise you.
Oh God.
Oh God. Turn your car off, bro, because I don't even, I was literally just driving it, and it was in third gear. I started switching lanes. I started getting into it. Right when I hit 3K RPMs, it just, I wasn't even like flooring it. Yeah, it sounded like my clutch slipped. It sounded like my clutch just completely went out. But then I heard, and it didn't even go back into third. Like I put it back in third, and then it was just like neutral.
Well,
so hold on, let me see if it makes any.
Can we get it back home?
I mean, it was driving fine. Oh, but then it got stuck in fifth. Well, see, I'm gonna put it in third.
Where's it at?
It's in third. Look, it's in third. I'm gonna let go of the clutch. All right.
Nothing.
It's not moving. The car would.
Moving? What the fuck?
It's in third gear. I just lost my third.
Oh, you don't even have to press on the clutch.
Clutch is not in.
Try 1 second.
No, I bet you want to move.
Oh yeah.
Well, look, if I put it in first, clutch is in gear. Is it moving? See, I'm moving.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did a second.
You're moving.
Is it moving?
Yeah, you're moving.
Okay, it's moving. But then third.
Oh!
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 Oh, hell no, that's hell that.
Oh yeah, it's probably your flywheel. Oh, your flywheel's right there. Oh, turn it off. Turn it off, turn it off.
I don't want to leave it here. I don't want to leave it here. Second is there. Third is not there. Fourth is there. That's why I don't think it's the clutch no more, man. At first I thought it was my stock clutch. And I think Rob just replied to my video. My transmission really did fail a week before Texas 2K. Alright, I really wasn't gonna make this video. I was actually gonna upload it when it first happened, but I decided not to. Then I wasn't gonna upload it at all, but I really should tell you guys what happened. It's really important. I should just let you guys know. So yes, my car finally broke. The transmission just completely failed on me a week before Texas 2K. Specifically my third gear just completely failed on me. Just let go, and kind of sucks because it literally happened a week before Texas 2K and I had to fix it that same week. So let me just take you guys back to about a week and a half ago when this first happened. If you guys don't believe me, if you guys think I'm capping, if you guys think this happened right after Texas 2K, it didn't. I'm about to show you my proof right here. So this was on my phone, March 1st, 9:45. This is the day that it happened. The video that actually happened during the day, and then I drove it home, and then it kept making this noise. Oh, that's the clutch person. I didn't know if it was my stock clutch or if it was actually my third gear. I really didn't want it to be my third gear. You guys know that this event is kind of a big deal for me. It's pretty much why I kind of moved here to Houston. You know, last year's 2K was not good at all, and I wanted this year's to be the best ever, and it was. Don't get it twisted. But a week before that, my third gear just decided to shit on me. I was just normally driving. I promise you I wasn't even doing no wall pulls or nothing. You know, it's kind of funny because it happened a couple days after I filmed the spark plug swap video. So that kind of sucked. Literally, I was just driving and I was switching lanes. I was in third gear. I was at second. I was in 2K RPMs. I started giving a little bit of gas. The streets were a little bit wet, and I am on my ET Street R's. It wasn't that bad though. Like, it wasn't raining at all. The streets were just kind of wet from like the rain earlier. And I guess it was a little bit slippery. And whenever I started hitting 2,500 RPMs, going into 3K RPMs, started giving a little bit of gas, the RPMs, I guess, just shot up. It just, I guess third gear just let go. My whole gear cluster just like spun, and third gear synchro just spun. And yeah. And then at first, like, I didn't have third. And then I didn't know what to do, and then in that video I just pulled over, and then it started making the noises, and then I started hitting on my guy Rob, hoping it was my clutch, my stock clutch, blah blah blah. Nope, it ended up being my third gear. The very next day I found a dude on Facebook, believe it or not, and apparently he rebuilds transmissions for Midnight Performance, so it's crazy how I ended up finding this guy. But the very next day I went to him, we opened up the transmission, and here's the damages. Oh. That hurts to see.
That's metal. So many components.
Reverse gear seems to be good. This one bad too. See how he look like this one?
Oh, like the marks
Yeah,
right there?
yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like surgery going on. Those are the guts.
Oh my gosh. Dude, a lot more. Oh my god. It wasn't that much more, but there she is in half. I wasn't even doing a wide open throttle pull. That's what.
It's turned into like a million pieces. Here.
Oh, yo.
What?
Oh no. This is third, right?
Yeah. Yeah, close to you. Here it is.
gosh, dude. Look at that one right there.
Oh, what? That was sliced completely.
Damn. I swear it's because it like spun a little bit too. That's why, like, it was in gear, and when the RPMs just, I don't.
Here's the third gear.
Okay, this is third gear.
First gear, second, third. These 4.
Okay.
You sell bronze.
Bronze.
Yeah, bronze.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's better, plastic. Okay, so you need to buy the. I think it's better change the 3/4 synchron for assembly, 30 kilo, close to. So when you go buy this one, you need to buy these 2 bearings too.
Man. I should have just put an auto in it. I'm just kidding. No, I think this is still gonna be cheaper than putting an auto in it.
Yeah. Also less time consuming and stuff, but
yeah, because I'm gonna do this and it's gonna get done by 2. I mean, this.
You're back in school writing notes.
I mean, honestly, I feel, people are probably gonna say, "Why are you not building your trans now that you're at it?" Because y'all don't understand 2K crunch time, man.
I'm saying.
God, it's just like last year. Literally flashback to last year. But last year was my motor that went out.
That's a
It's way better. It's like I don't know, something just like this had to happen, I guess. It's a sign. I don't know why. Actually, I need to take this.
See, this one is better than plastic.
Okay, so bronze the.
But it's you use 8 pieces.
8 bronze. What are those called?
Those are the what are they called?
Close. Fork pad.
Fork pad.
Yeah.
Fork. Okay.
Oh, input bearing. Oh no. Input
Okay.
So it's a cluster bearing.
Third gear, cluster bearing, 2 cluster bearings, 3/4 single,
assembly.
reverse gear assembly, gaskets, out the kit, and 8 box fork pads.
That's it.
Okay, cool. And then should I just order this to here or to me, and I just bring it back to you? Or
Yeah.
I do it as quick as possible. If you don't text 2K next week, you could.
Whatever you like.
Okay.
You wanna send it to you or send it to me straight?
Yeah, if I could send it here, that'd be better, because then
Okay.
the car can just be ready.
Oh,
I can just come
yeah.
get it, because I'm an hour away, and
Just take this.
I think I already took a picture of it. So that was pretty much my whole third gear that let go, as well as like the 4th synchro and my reverse gear, apparently somehow, some way, and then my whole gear cluster. Well, just the third gear and that gear cluster just kind of messed up. So I had to order a couple new parts, like the gear cluster, 3rd to 4th synchro, the 3rd gear assembly, and then I upgraded to the bronze shift pads from the plastic shift pads. So I did just fix what I broke. The only reason why I did was because 2K was literally about to happen. I didn't want to miss it just because of a broken 3rd gear. So I just wanted to fix it right away. I was really thinking about throwing an auto transmission in it. I was so close to buying a 6R80 for the car and just doing the whole swap. But one, it's going to be way too expensive. I'm still trying to get this Corvette, so I wanted to spend as least as possible. And there just wasn't enough time to do that. And also, I could have really built my TR6060 now, but there was also just no time to do that. I had to just fix whatever I broke and just send it for 2K. And I guess the reason why I didn't want to upload this was because I just had so much going on, and I was just in such 2K crunch time, and I just didn't want to have all that weight on my shoulders, like the fact that I broke my trans, and I fixed it with the stock parts, like with the same parts, well, new, just rebuilt it, and then put the 500 miles on it, and then beat the fuck out of it again during 2K. Like, I didn't want to just put that out there. I feel like I get a lot of hate for that. I don't know, my mind was all over the place, guys. I just feel like I didn't really want to talk about this, but I had to, man. I need to now that Texas 2K is done. The trans is good now. The trans, it's fine. She's straight. Third is good. It's butter. It feels amazing. It took so much beating throughout the week. I hit the 500 miles. Now it's actually at, let's see what my trip A is. 1,598 miles, 1,598 miles on this rebuilt transmission. But I did put 500 before I beat the shit out of it. So it took a lot of beating during 2K, man. I was shifting the crap out of this trans, man. She held up great, and I'm very happy that it did. But damn, I'm very happy that it actually held up and it didn't break on me again. Now that Texas 2K is done, I can finally just relax and I can just let this car chill, because that C7 is coming, man. It's coming right up, and I'm gonna start saving up for the built motor for this car, and I'm gonna just let it chill, man. Transmission already broke, and at least it wasn't my motor, but car already broke for the first time, and it kind of sucked. I spent right around $2,000 to fix it. It was just all crunch time, man. I just had to get it done, and Texas 2K was fun, man. It was a blast. Even though cops were all out, all over the place, and I almost got in trouble, it was still amazing. I got some pretty good videos, and it was just way better than last year's, and it was just a week to remember. So I just want to make this little video, guys, letting you know that, yeah, my car finally broke, and it was third gear. So it's fixed now. She's good to go. Just had to let you guys know that ran into a little issue before 2K, and I didn't really want to keep it a secret, so just stay tuned for the C7, man. I'm gonna wait for one to pop up. As soon as I find one that I really like, I'm gonna try to pull the trigger. It's just hard. It's just hard to find this exact spec that I want, but I promise you guys it's coming. All right. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. I don't know what I'm gonna film next, but I just had to give you guys this little update, telling you guys what happened, and I hope you guys understand that it was just too much for me to upload right before the week of 2K. It just wasn't right, so that's why I waited until now, a week after. And chance is good. I promise, chance is good. Everything's good to go. Thumbs up, subscribe, watch all the ads, do all the good stuff, man. C7 coming soon. And well, I'm in quarantine for this freaking virus, so I can't really do much right now. That's also why I haven't gotten to bed, but it's coming soon, man. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Peace out.